measuring the airflow of the fan. So to do it step by step, first we have to change the control panels. For the electrical part, we need to measuring the voltage, the currents, the fan rotation of the fan, and if everything is going well, and then we go to do the mechanical parts. So first to make sure that our fan performance is good, we need to test the fan speed of the motor section, and here's the screen that record about the RPM fan rotation of the motor. We need to step by step for our fan conditions. After checking for the electrical part and fan performance are working properly, and then we go to measuring the airflows. For the first step of the measuring, we are measuring the main duct. We want to know the airflow of the main duct, how many flow. Is the main duct flow enough or it's not enough? After we measuring the main duct, and then we will go to measuring the flow step by step on the brain duct on the grills. So the main duct is very big, and right now we use the bigger tube. This tube is the long dimension for measuring for the big duct conditions, and we need to mark it properly, and we can measuring its points to point. And for me, I always stay behind and check the result with the engineering who was doing the TNCs. So after checking for the main duct, and then we're going to check at the grill.